Don't at me for the Crocs. I honestly, I can't explain it. You know what, at me for it. Anyway, so this is my mat. It says, welcome to the madhouse, because I am manic ceramic and also, you know, a little bit unhinged. This is the mess. Like, we got a lot of mess to work with over here. These need to be moved. I need to put things in these drawers to help me up. This is a box of things I am going to smash. I am going to throw these off a ladder onto the ground below, and they're going to shatter. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming out shortly. And then look at all this mess that's just everywhere. There is stuff everywhere. So I do have a lot left to do. So pray for me. Please pray for me, because I don't actually like doing this, and there's a lot to do, and I don't like to do it with anybody else. I'm a bit of a control freak. I don't like getting help when it's cleaning my space. I like to do that myself. So yeah, wish me luck, because I got a lot left to do, and it's already late and it's gonna get dark soon, so here we go.